Hello, my name is Kathy, and I'm from the Success team here at MIFOinc. I'd like to go over your scorecard report. Your scorecard report gives you information for all health plans that your practice participates with, the maximum earnings for your practice, as well as your current earnings. The detailed report is below. And to view that detailed report by health plan only, you can sort by clicking on the bar. So clicking on the bar for affinity gives you and filters detail for affinity only. If you'd like to see Fidelis data, simply click on the bar for Fidelis as well. Clicking again sorts for all health plans in total. So let's take a look at detailed information for affinity. Let's first look at one line item that has met the current earning threshold. So looking at adolescent well-care visits, the required rate for affinity to pass this measure is 80%. The individual amount for each patient is $135. To date, the practice has seen 833 members, has successfully billed for 22, and has appointments for 42. Total patient count required by affinity for adolescent well-care visits are 986. The 80% threshold has been met by the practice at 91%. Therefore, there are 0 patients left to be seen, and the practice has earned $121,095. Looking at a measure that has not been met to date, weight, nutrition, physical activity, the required rate is 92%. The practice is only at 80%. Therefore, there are 35 patients left to be seen, and the practice has currently earned $0. However, the amount earned would be listed in accrued earnings, which is part of the report on your home screen. Going back to seeing full data, you can see now that you have the information available for all health plans. This is the proper way to utilize your scorecard report, and I look forward to seeing you in the future at additional training modules.